welcome to Storytime. Our theme today is birds. Let's sing our hello song. Hello, 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 and how are you? I'm fine, and I hope that you are too. This book is called A Home for Bird. Vernon was out foraging for interesting things when he found Bird. "Are you okay?" asked Vernon. Bird said nothing. "Are you lost?" Bird said nothing. "You are welcome to join me," said Vernon. Vernon introduced Bird to his friends. "Bird," said Vernon, "meet Skunk and Porcupine." Bird said nothing. "Bird is shy," said Vernon, "but also a very good listener." Vernon showed Bird the river and the forest. He took Bird foraging and cloud watching too, but Bird said nothing. "I am worried that Bird is not happy," said Vernon. "Perhaps he is lost," said Skunk. "Maybe he misses home," said Porcupine. So Vernon prepared a journey to help Bird find his home. He readied a boat, found an oar, said goodbye to his friends, and together with Bird followed the river into the great unknown. Vernon showed Bird many different places to live. "Is this your home?" he asked Bird. "How about here?" "Here?" Vernon sighed. "Bird, will you speak up when we find the right home?" But no matter how many places they tried, Bird said nothing, and Vernon was sad. But Vernon was a determined friend, and with a little help, he and Bird followed the wind. "I hope this is a good idea," said Vernon. Bird said nothing. "Bird is a very brave," thought Bird. Having traveled a long way, the two friends came to rest. "Hello," said Vernon to a kind stranger. "I think we are lost." The stranger pointed the way to a house a little farther down the road. "I am so tired," said Vernon. Bird said nothing. "Bird is tired too," thought Vernon. "Maybe we'll stop for the night." Together, Vernon and Bird slid down the curtain, introduced themselves to new friends, and climbed up to the little house on the wall. "This home is in need of repair," thought Vernon, carefully placing the door back on its hinges. "I hope Bird doesn't mind." He put Bird to bed upstairs, put himself to bed downstairs, and fell asleep to a gentle sound. Tick-tock, tick-tock, tick-tock. Vernon awoke with the morning light. He liked this house and the cheerful sounds it made. "I wonder if Bird likes it too," thought Vernon. And Bird said, "Cuckoo, cuckoo, cuckoo," and Vernon was happy. Okay, the next thing we will do is our Roll Your Hands song. Roll your hands so slowly as can be. Roll your hands so slowly and fold your arms like me. Roll your hands so quickly as can be. Roll your hands so quickly and fold your arms like me. Clap your hands so softly as can be. Clap your hands so softly and fold your arms like me. Clap your hands so loudly as can be. Clap your hands so loudly and fold your arms like me. This book is called Some Birds. Some birds are big, some birds are small, and some birds are just incredibly tall. Some birds swoop and some birds squawk. Some birds soar high, while some birds just walk. Some birds waddle, some birds hop. And some birds eat worms until they go pop. Some birds twitch, some birds tweet. And some birds swim fast with webbed flipper feet. Some birds flutter, some birds flap. And some birds fly off to the other parts of the map. Some birds build nests away from sly cats. And some birds make holes with a rat-a-tat-tat. Some birds are caged, but most birds are free. A much better life, I'm sure you'll agree. The end. I hope you enjoyed our story time about birds.